So I got my machine last week, tried it out, just playing with it. So this is the first week that I actually used it, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It says 3 times a week, and I have seen results. Today is Friday. The only thing I don't like about this machine is that when you're not using it, it doesn't have a power on and off button that I saw that you have to unplug it to order to power it off. But the things heat up really fast. I feel the heat more on this side, more than I do on this side, but I do feel the heat. It's kind of hard getting them on there yourself, but I just put the Velcro strap around me first, and then I put the paddles on, and then I use the gel, also the ultrasound gel. I just put a little tiny bit of that on there and rub it in, and good to go. But yeah, you just have to make sure you don't eat 1 hour before you do it and 2 hours after. So after this, I'll go get on my elliptical and get into my steam sauna and call it a day for Friday and start my day. So far, no regrets. I like it. This is the only area I've used it on. I haven't tried no other areas on my body except this. And as you can see, I don't have a flat surface that I'm using like they have mentioned or used in the professional office. So I just use my recliner and just tilt back as far as I could. I'm like, this is laid back enough, I think. But that's it.